Hi, I'm Kate from Tidy Knots Crochet and More, and we're here to learn how to make a dishcloth today. So, the pattern that we're going to be using is called Speedy Textured Dishcloth, and you can find it on yarnspirations.com. The link to this dishcloth is underneath the video. Also, if you know where my blog is, you can also access the pattern from there. The materials that we're going to need today are 2 balls of cotton. I'm going with Burnett Handicrafter cotton. The pattern does call for Lily Sugar and Cream. Either brand works. They're both from Yarnspirations. I'm going with Robin's Egg is my color. The next thing that you will need is an H hook or a 5mm hook. You will need a wool needle, a measuring tape. You don't need one quite as large as this one. One of those pull ones will work just fine too. And a pair of scissors. Now the pattern, it should make a 13-inch square, or in Canada a 33-centimeter square. Alright, so please join me in my next video to get started.